CHZ explicitly faces obstruction at 20 cents, which by and large is very huge. CHZ down roughly 1.86% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA 20 in an unobtrusive way. Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the previous week, acquiring 0.24% in a very huge manner. 31 July 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time, sort of clarified pressing issues, facts. What by and large is especially momentary cost expectation for Chilliz, sort of is CHZ, a sort of wise venture, or so they basically thought. Chilliz support and obstruction levels, and so on in every practical sense, significant way. Be that as it may, prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the CHZ specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us most certainly discuss the truly current economic situations, showing how Chilliz support and opposition levels, and so on in every way that really matters. Significant way. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $1,177,517,732,560, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The fundamentally all-out exchanging volume by and large stands at $30,011,818,165 in a kind of huge manner. Bitcoin shares 48.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which in every way that really matters, brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,221.93 level after a decay of 0.47% in a truly significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value reduction of 0.83%. Coming to $1,859.27 during the past 24 hours, showing how Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the exact past week, acquiring 0.24%, which explicitly is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.34 following a value change of 0.45% within a similar time period, exhibiting how the genuinely complete exchanging volume truly remains at $30,011,818,165, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere near 2.36 and right now exchanging at 70 cents, showing how which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $29,221.93 level after a decay of 0.47% in an especially huge manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which generally shows that CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA 20, or so they by and large thought. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market basically is going in a by and large descending course for commonly present moment in every practical sense. Further appearance. How 31 July 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and really attempt to answer these habitually basically got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What basically is transient cost expectation for Chilliz in a real sense? Is CHZ a wise venture? Or so they fundamentally thought. Right now, a sort of broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. So furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which generally shows that CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20, or so they most certainly thought. Chilliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition fundamentally are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense distinguish commonly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Support in every way that really matters is a level at which purchasers basically become commonly more exceptionally dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.34 following a value change of 0.45% within a similar time span, exhibiting how the complete exchanging volume truly remains at $30,011,818,165 in an especially significant manner. Similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which vendors, in a real sense, move genuinely dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Exceptionally further appearance how Bitcoin shares 48.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%, or so they really thought. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Chilliz, CHC Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHC, truly is at $0.077, down 1.86% in the kind of beyond 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 0.24% throughout the week in a sort of significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC, especially, is $32,210,595.00 United States dollars, while in every practical sense, all-out market cap came to $548,329,679 United States dollars. So market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole digital currency market to $1,177,517,732,560, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. There in every practical sense are practically 7,108,896,058 explicitly are available for use out of 8,888,888,888. Kind of additional appearance how yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the CHC specialized examination, by and large, let us sort of discuss the truly current economic situations, showing how Chilliz support and opposition levels and so on, or so they really thought. Chilliz value examination CHC cost investigation for 31 July 2023, inside a kind of day-to-day time period, truly made sense of beneath, exhibiting how market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,177,517,732,560, which generally is genuinely critical. We utilize relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including exceptionally straightforward moving certainly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving sort of normal, EMA, to sort of dissect the future development of the Chilliz.The genuinely relative strength record. RSI for CHC coin explicitly is as of now drifting at 28 for 14 days, by and large normal line, which generally implies CHC really is an oversold zone.